3 gram. Now, whenever you want to solve the problem of electricity and the position of metals, first of all, you need to know the number of valence electron, or the number of electron needed for such action to occur. So let's say for silver, what do we have for silver? We are going to have silver is plus, so we are going to have 1 electron because it's just 1 valency. Then you have your normal silver. So once there is this, you have the deposition of your silver, just 1 electron, so 1 mole of electron in this case. But in aluminium, what do we have? Aluminium has 3 valence electrons, so we have aluminium 3 plus, so we actually have 3 moles of electrons.